let's make some delicious butter chicken today. First, let's start with our chicken thighs. We're gonna clean our chicken thighs off and we're gonna slice them up and dice them up into cubes. Now let's add a thick and creamy Greek yogurt. We want a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Use the juice of half of a lemon. I'm trying to get all of the juice out. Now we want to add salt, 1.5 teaspoons. Now let's add half a teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now we're going to add garam masala, 2 teaspoons of garam masala. And let's mix it all together. If you're getting value out of this video, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Continue to mix. When it looks like this, then you're ready to put it in the oven. Spread the chicken out on a lined sheet pan. I'm using parchment paper. The chicken is sticky, so you're going to have to pull it apart in order to spread it out. Place the chicken under a broiler for about 10 minutes or until the chicken has dark broil marks. Just like this. Trust me, they're juicy. Let's mince some fresh ginger and garlic. And we can't have butter chicken without butter. So let's melt our butter. Let's add the ginger and garlic that we minced. And I like to add a little bit of oil. Now let's cook that down a bit so they get fragrant and it releases their flavor. I forgot to show that I added some Kashmiri red chili powder. That's why it's red. And these are Methi seeds or Fenugreek seeds. Let's pour in 2 cups of tomato sauce. Stir it all together so that it's well combined. If you can't find most of these ingredients in your local grocery store, the best place to buy them is at your nearest Indian grocery store or online. I'll put a link in the description. It's time to dress our chicken in our glorious sauce. Let's just put all of the chicken in there. Once all the chicken is in our Dutch pot, we want to give it a stir so that all of the chicken is coated. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and we're going to use 2 cups of light cream. Now if you want yours extra creamy, then you can use heavy cream. And for those of us who want the best of both worlds or can't decide, you can use half heavy cream and half light cream. We're gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes. And voila! Look at how beautiful and luscious our butter chicken is. Now, you can serve it alongside of some basmati rice and some naan. Our Learn How to Make Naan video is coming out soon, so be sure to look out for that. There you have it. Thanks for watching.